Hello, and welcome to another update video on SUI. The SUI chart has potentially started finally that B wave bounce. I mean, I cannot rule out that maybe a larger recovery is already unfolding, but yeah, we would need to see a clear 5-wave move up for that. I have had a look through a lot of altcoin meme charts today, which I already shared in our membership, like Brad, Floki, and so on. There were a few others, Andy, ETH, and so on. Pepe even with Turbo. And some of these show the potential that actually the A wave topped here. And this actually can make sense given that this here might have just been an A wave to the downside, an impulsive looking B wave then, and a C wave down. I'm just saying that, and that would complete the correction here. I'm just saying that because the decline looks a little bit like a 5-wave move down. So anyway, I think we should be prepared at least for a broader correction. And we're caught in a range here at the moment between $3.44 and $3.69, which is the support zone, and the resistance zone between $3.89 and $4.11. So until we actually see a 5-wave move up, which ideally would even take us above $4.11, I think we at least have to consider that a broader wave B is unfolding, or at least the potential for a broader wave B is high. Overall, though, I'm looking for higher prices. And the idea, and that's the thesis, is that a meaningful low formed in August. We are on our way to $4.78 next. And this is the support zone to watch. Whether that means we do this or whether it means we do a direct breakout, that will be decided in the moment. And the market has to decide that. And it will depend on how exactly now the structure of this rally is unfolding, this potential rally here. Because if we see just a corrective bounce, it's, a 3-wave move, right? And if it turns into an impulsive looking bounce, then I will start to assume we've bottomed. This is the zone, yeah. I would at this time slightly prefer a broader wave B. Yeah, it's a possibility. But if I see 5 waves up, I'm gonna flip counts. I'm gonna assume that we've bottomed. I can actually show that maybe in blue, just so that you see the direct route higher would look like this. Okay. But then I need to see something, some more action from here. Now, the idea is that in the next move up, we should see a 5-wave move up anyway, right? Either directly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or after a broader wave B, which would look like this, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you see the difference is really minor. And when the market moves into this resistance zone with the specific levels at $3.89, $3.96, $4.05, and $4.11, well, this is where we really need to pay close attention because any impulsive move down then could indicate the start of the C wave. And then based on the height, the length, of that B wave, you could say the termination point of the B wave, we can then define the length of the C wave down. So the A wave and the C wave tend to have a similar length. I can't really add much more at the moment to the analysis. These are the parameters here for the weekend. I would really like to see a healthy B wave, and if the B wave overshoots, which can sometimes happen, that would be even better and support the main thesis further that we should see higher prices still. Yeah, I will change my view below $3.44. This would mean that I need to look for something more bearish. That's the update on SUI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in the membership, check out our channel page. There's a video that explains the member benefits. You get, for example, updates about different additional coins, like Bonk was covered overnight, Jasmine was covered, AVAX, and so on. You get access to our member live streams. Tomorrow we've got the next one at 5 p.m. UTC. And if you want to learn Elliott Wave and get access to many more updates, then check out our Gold membership. The link is in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.